Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to be frying chicken, and as you can see, the chicken is ready. We have chicken, French bread, salad, corn on the cob, steak fries, and grapes. That is our dinner for tonight, and this is small batches. This is a half of a chicken. This is 3 pieces of French bread, 2 small salads, 2 pieces of corn on the cob that have been cut into corbett-sized pieces, 1 large russet baking potato that I turned into steak fries and cooked in the New Wave oven. And if you'd like to see how I prepared this dish, just follow along with me. Now time to eat, and I just went through my little rendition for you. So again, this is your girl eating with Food for Thought Roberts, the personal chef. Remember, follow along on the video and see how I did this, how I prepared this quick, easy meal. Everything I needed was right here in my home, in my freezer or refrigerator. I did not have to go to the store. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I did not want to go to the store. So just follow along. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button, notification bell, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Let's get connected so that I can bring you more of these videos. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Now, let's really get into the video. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my channel. This is your girl, the personal chef, also known as Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, also known as Renee. Today, I'm going to show you how I'm going to fry this chicken. And this is the way my mom and my grandmother fried theirs. So I'm going to kind of piggyback off of them with a little twist on it. So I've already cut the chicken up. I used a whole chicken. I'm only cooking half the chicken. And I cut it up into some good sized pieces, some good small pieces. So there will be no waste tonight. And I have all my seasonings already in my bowl, ready to go. Prep, prep, prep. Prep is key to everything. But I'm going to show you exactly what I'm using, and then we're going to get started on this fried chicken. First, I have my little deep fryer heating up. This is how my mama cut her chicken up. She cut it up with the backs and everything. You know, she did not attach the backs to the thighs. That's why you get those really, really giant thighs, because they have part of the back attached to them. Mom didn't do that, so I'm not doing that either. So now let's see what we're using. Granulated garlic, Pappy's, hot sauce, yellow mustard, cornstarch, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, black pepper, pepper flakes, flour, and I have everything. These are the ingredients that are in the seasoning. Granulated garlic, Pappy's seasoning, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, black pepper, and pepper flakes. That's it. That's all I put in there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get the flour and the cornstarch ready, and we're going to get the chicken. For the chicken, I'm going to add hot sauce. If you like hot sauce on your chicken, you be the judge how much you use. And I'm going to add mustard. To me, mustard really brings out the flavor in your chicken. Just mix it up. Now we're going to add our seasonings. I'm going to do 2.5 tablespoons. If you think you need more, add more. If you think you need less, add less. It's always better, to me, this is my opinion, to season your chicken in a bowl. Get the seasonings in there and then take them and toss it around and rub it all over the place. Instead of doing that, oh, we're going to season this side, now we're going to season that side. No, if you just put everything in the bowl and put enough, and all you have to do is rub it in and toss it around, you're good to go. Now let's add our flour. I'm not measuring, I'm just adding what I think is enough. So we got the flour. Now the cornstarch, I will measure the cornstarch. So this is measuring is 1/8 of a cup. Another 1/8 of a cup, so what's that? 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. And another good thing to do when you're adding, when you do your flour, and you don't have to do the cornstarch, this is what I chose to do, but when you do your flour, add a little bit of seasoning to your flour because you don't want to lose the flavor of the seasoning. Always add you some seasoning to your flour. I'm going to add more garlic. That's it. Now, if you so choose, you could let this marinate, this chicken marinate overnight, but you don't have to, or you can just go straight into the cooking. Just stir it up really good. And it's always good to use your hands because when you use your hands, you have a better feel for things. Make sure you get your chicken coated really well. You don't want to miss any pieces. Everything coated good. So, drop this in. Like it's going to be 3 pieces. And this little deep fryer is good for making small batches. And that's what we're doing tonight. We're cooking small batches. Why cook a whole chicken and all you have is maybe 2 people eating it? I have room for a chicken strip. The chicken strip came from the thigh. I cut the chicken thigh way down. I'm sorry, it came from the breast. I cut it way down. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, we're gonna just leave that. Okay, I'm gonna set my timer. We're at the halfway point. Get down if we need to see. That's what you want your chicken to look like. And these little bitty deep fryers, this is an Oyster. Got it on Amazon, I think for like $35, less than $40. These little things are workhorses. They are really good. And they're good for frying up small batches. And that's what I'm doing, small batches. Doesn't that look good? We're going to find out in a minute. Kid, I used to love to watch my mother cook. As an adult, I still love watching my mother cook. My mom's a good cook. We're on the second batch and we're at the halfway mark. See how good that looks? I don't know, it's just something about mustard on chicken that I think, my own personal opinion, that just tastes so good. So we have about 3 more minutes left. And I'm cooking these at 12-minute intervals. I'm at the halfway mark of the chicken back. Halfway mark of the chicken back, and I just want to let you guys see what it looks like. That's the chicken back. This part of the chicken is so good, and this is, I believe this is mostly white meat. I do believe. It's so good. If you're not using the chicken back, you are really, really missing out. I have 3 more minutes on this. So let me get it back in the grease and let it finish up. Then I'll get the last batch on, and then we'll get this plated up. Last batch going in. 12 more minutes. I will return. And we're going to get ready to eat. Last batch. Let's get this chicken plated up. Complete. We have our fried chicken. Now, mind you, that's a half a fried chicken. French bread. 3 pieces of French bread that were cut in half and cut in half again. Salad. 2 pieces of corn on the cob cut into Cobbette-sized pieces. A few grapes. 1 big baking potato, and I just made steak fries out of that, and I cooked that in the New Wave oven. And the chicken is nice and crispy and crunchy, and each batch took approximately 12 minutes each to cook. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you, everybody, for taking the time out to watch. See you on the next video. And this is Small Batches.